In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner to manage projects. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser. Once you are signed in, go to the My Day section. My Day is a helpful starting point because it brings your focus to what needs attention right now, and it gives you a clean place to begin setting up a new project plan without distractions. From My Day, click on New Plan. This is where you create the workspace that will hold your project tasks. Think of a plan as the main container for everything related to one project, including task groups, due dates, and progress tracking. Taking a moment to start with a fresh plan keeps your work organized from the beginning, especially if you manage multiple projects at the same time. After you click New Plan, select the option that is highlighted on the screen. This highlighted selection represents the template area, which is designed to help you create a plan quickly. Templates are useful because they provide a ready-made structure, so you do not have to build every category or task layout from scratch. Next, click on Use Template. This tells Planner that you want to base your new project plan on a predefined setup. Using a template can save time and make your project easier to manage, since the format is already organized in a logical way. It also helps you stay consistent across different projects, which is especially helpful if you work with a team. Once you are in the template selection area, click on the highlighted option shown. This confirms the specific template choice you want to use for your project. As a general tip, choose a template that matches the type of work you are doing, because it will make task planning and tracking feel more natural as you move forward. Finally, click Create. Planner will generate your new plan based on the template you selected. Give it a moment to load, and you will be ready to start managing tasks inside your new project plan using the structure the template provides. And that is all there is to it.